So good afternoon, new vlog, love your journey, and this is beachside of Villa Excellence in Tanzakuite. You can see this hut is very like, you can see this hut is so amazing, looking so cute, wow, and it's cost 24 hours like 5,000 pesos, yeah. So let's go the other side. I will show you the beachside view, yeah, here. And this is only 1,200 pesos for 24 hours. And I will just look like one shot of beach side, waving side. Ayos ka kuya. So yeah, you can see this, you can read this, guys. So well, we have to move on, going other side. Well, at night this side have more and more peoples to enjoy here, yeah, because now it's so hot, like 44 45 degrees here going on, so that's why people staying there in the pool side for you are here, hi, how are you, remember me? Wow, nice. Yeah, good to hear that. Hi. So they are the one who give me discount. Yeah. Because cooking you here ever go get discount, or arm. Yeah. So this side you can see. And this cottage, I really love it. We are going to eat lunch or brunch?
Lunch.
Lunch or brunch?
Lunch.
It's not lunch, it's a brunch.
Why?
It's late already. And everyone, they have like food, own food. You can like bring own food and cook and barbecue. Like, oh my god, yeah. And we can see like own catering as well, and they are doing music as well there that side. So good, like you can see my feet is like so dirty. Yeah. They are ready for KTV bar. I think I have to go that side. So let's go that side. I will show you. Villa Excellence Beach. You can see this hut. Wow! It's nice. They are enjoying the KTV bar. KTV bar means like they have a mic and the music they will sing by themselves, like like this. Yeah. It's so enjoying, huh? When I'm doing like this, they're like more malakas yung ingay, huh? Oh, see? Yeah. So, this is the beach of Kuya, pwede swimming dito? Bakit?
Sarado, sarado.
Ay nako, gusto ko swimming dito.
Doon na lang sa pool.
Ha?
Sa pool.
Ayoko dito na lang.
O sige.
Kaya?
Hindi na.
Bakit? Hindi ko alam paano na yung swimming eh.
Hindi mo alam.
O, ikaw marunong ka?
Marunong.
Sure ka? Pwede pakita sa'yo?
Ay, bawal akong maligo.
Ay nako,
Bawal
bakit?
akong sinasakit.
Dito na lang ako, ako na lang bahala dito.
O sige.
Pwede. Sige, ikaw na lang swimming, parang pagkita na ako paano ka na swimming, parang alam na ako.
Ah.
Oh. Sige na.
Bawal. Pag wala akong sinasakit, bawal.
Sabi ko, ay, dyan na ako, walang problema. Parang ako na lang bahala dito, parang okay na dito lahat. Ikaw na lang swimming, parang...
Minsan ako pag ako nag-swimming.
Ah, parang kailan na swimming, kailan pwede na swimming dito?
Pag tapos niya,
Ah, kailan?
maglalagyan pa ng floater.
Ah, plotter?
Nakatalagyan ng tanda yung malalalim.
Ha? Siguro maganda, masarap na dito, di ba?
Pag napaliguan na yan, maliliit na yan.
Oo. Oh, marami na bangka dyan, no? Bakit marami na bangka dyan?
Sige, dyan yan.
Ah? Parang dala-dala na? Diyan din isang bangka, oh. Ikaw, kuya, marunong ka swimming?
Ano, no?
Oh.
May ano kami, may training.
Ah, training. Ah, kaya pala yung ano, life safety officer. Ayan.
Bawal kami walang training.
Ah.
May training ng mga lifeguard.
Ah, maganda.
Ano kami mga lisensyado.
Ah, dito pa rin? Ah.
Kaya pag sasagip, alam na namin.
Ah. Sige, kuya.
Hindi ka pwede mag-lifeguard nang wala kang training.
Ah, basta maganda marunong ka. Ah.
Alam mo yung pagsasagip
Ah.
sa mga nalulunod.
Hmm.
Lalo na sa babae.
Ah. Sige, kuya, salamat ha.
Okay.
Bye-bye. So, this is Kuya project. So, let's go back to pool. Having enjoy, having fun there. And yeah, there's some more to show you guys, but I am so hungry right now. I wanna eat some food, so I have more energy to have a vlog, have a talk, and have a thinking because I am hungry. I cannot think like what I have to say. Yeah. So let me eat first, then let's see what's gonna happen next. And the last view of Villa Excellence. So they are playing. This is Filipino game. Oh, okay. So they are playing Filipino game. Oh, nice. Nice. Let's see.
So yung tawag sa game na ito, madali lang to. So susundan nyo lang yung mga print na nasa baba. So tatlo to. So yung tawag dito, match the fucking foot or hand.
Ano?
Ha? English? Match the fucking foot or hand. Yun yung game eh. So ito, parang six na rules. So gagayain mo siya. Once na matapos mo yung magayang bawat gestures, at tatakbo ka, pabalik, tapos next naman. So paunahan lang. Pag nagkamali, gayain mo lang ulit. Gayain mo lang, huwag di na ulit.
Wala nang ulitan.
Sino taga-check? Yun ang hindi ko alam. Lahat ba, ano? So, six
This
lang
is
ang
Filipino
players.
game.
Okay,
Going to be
six
interesting,
lang.
yeah.
Tapos yung isa, taga-check. So guys, gayahin nyo na lang tayo mag, three columns lang.
So they are getting ready for playing game. So let's see.
Papunta dyan, o dito na po ready mo.
Papunta dito pa kasi
Gets ko na yan. Ay, pakipagina. Kailangan ba to?
I think nag-Philippines sa saan.
Ayun mo!
Rin nyo, para ko
Wala. Lalagyan ng space. Miss, baka imposible naman magawa yan, ha?
Tama yan, magagawa yan.
Pa-adjust ha?
O, baka tatlo yung paang nga. Bawal duling dyan, ha?
Nagkukulang dyan ang daliri ha. Dapat
Guys,
more
gawan nyo pa ng isang line para mabilis. Gayahin nyo lang, gayahin nyo lang.
Paano pagka may ano na?
Ano to? Last game na?
Last game na, last game na.
Hey, more pa!
Ano, kailangan natin ano dito, Ana?
Huwag nililipad, ma'am.
Dapat zero sila lahat, Ana.
Ay, ako. Galing na natin.
Pwede mag-box out.
Mahirap to. Ano yan?
Lakad kami sa mas.
Ilan na?
Kaliwa na to? Wala, dito yung iba, dito yung iba. Oo. Okay na kami. Umaldo na yung kasama natin. Kailangan ba tabama yung kamay sa sa papel?
Malamang,
Hindi naman, gagayahin mo lang. Basta magaya mo lang.
Tama mo. Dapat
Hindi yun. Tama daw.
tama.
Kawawa naman yung malaki daw dyan.
Ay, sorry. Ay, walang ganon.
Okay lang na yan. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ay, okay lang ba? Hindi pa na yan.
So, here you go, guys. They are ready for
Pwede na to.
this game.
Ano ba sa'yo, Japes?
So she's trying and she fell down. Let's see. There's a lot of hands and the feet, and then the right hand or right hand, left feet or left feet. Should be left feet. There's no exchange. And let's see how they're gonna fall down. The Filipino game is so interesting. For sure, guys, you'll love it. For sure. See, the guy is he's trying his best to best. See, there guys trying, huh? Oh, up, 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 up. Oh! That guy is so basic, huh?
Game. Hey, hindi nakinig kanina eh. Try mo na isa.
So this is trial.
Trial na to ha. Una. 1, 2, 3, go! Yan, magaling lang.
Kuya.
Tama ako doon.
Oo, tama yun.
Baliktad yun. Yan. Ops.
Go, Erin! Yan, tama.
Ano nga?
Dalawang paa. Cross, yan.
Cross pa. Yan.
Yan. Yan.
Nice.
Let's go.
Cross pa.
Yan. Left pass yan. Yan. And then.
Normal.
Yan.
Kaya mo yan.
Oh, 1 point na kami.
Okay, trial done.
Ready na, ready? Huge! I believe okay ka na.
Nice one.
Okay.
Oh, baliktad. Ops.
Okay.
What yan?
Cross yan.
Okay, Rin, bisa mo pa yan.
Oy, baliktad din kaya.
Normal.
Ops. Baliktad. Malay nyo! Kami nauna! It's something, bro! Ano ko na kanina?
Oh, first to 2 points to, first to 2 points. Group 3, may chance pa kayo. Race to 2 lang, race to 2. Tama. Okay, hintayin nyo.
Ops, bastard. Okay. Next one.
Diretso lang yan, yan!
Normal. Yan.
Yan, okay. Antay lang, patay, go!
Kaliwang paa. Cross kamay.
Yan,
Cross kamay. Cross paa. Normal. Oh. Jordan.
yan! Tama! Yan, yan!
Okay, babalik. Ano yung group number 2 sa ano? Match the fucking gestures.